Hello guys, welcome back to Digital Warehouse. So today's secret Morse code is a swap. Swap. So it's a very simple, easy one. A very easy one, rather. It's just 4 letters, and the first letter there is S. So we head over to our daily cipher mode. To activate it, by select the daily cipher. There you have it. And the first letter there is S, and the Morse code for S is a tap, another tap, and another tap. So that's 3 taps. That is 1, 2, 3. That's it. The next letter is W, which is a tap, a long tap, and a long tap. So that is tap, long tap, long tap. The next one there is a tap and a long tap. So tap and long tap, which is A. So the last but not the least, which is P, is tap, long tap, and tap. So tap, long tap, long tap. Oops, seems like we start afresh again. So the first letter is S, which is 3 taps, 1, 2, 3. That's this. Followed by W, which is a tap, long tap, and another long tap. That's tap, long tap, long tap. That's W. Then A is tap and a long tap. There's 1 tap and 1 long tap. Tap, long tap. Then P is tap, long tap, and tap. So tap, long tap, and the tap. So there you have it. We have cracked the secret word for today. Don't forget to come back tomorrow for the daily combo. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you're on YouTube, follow me if you're on Facebook, also follow me if you're also on TikTok. Thank you.